Comb your hair instead of brushing it, and if you have tangles, work them out using a wide-toothed comb. Apply some conditioner and massage the tangles until they come out. Let your hair air dry, and when you do use a hairdryer, use the warm or cool setting and keep the dryer several inches from your head to minimize damage to your strands. If you have dry hair, treat it gently when washing and drying it. Use the tips of your fingers to gently pull the shampoo through your hair and rinse with cool or lukewarm water. Shampoo less often to give your hair the chance to receive the nourishing oils produced by your scalp. After a week or two, you'll notice that your scalp produces less oil and you can go several days without washing your hair. Halt damaging hair treatments like curling irons, hot rollers, and straighteners. Your hair will return to its natural shine and texture after a break from heat styling tools. When you're trying to nurse your hair back to health, avoid hairstyles that pull on your hair. Use a good conditioner each time you shampoo to condition dry hair. Massage the conditioner through your hair and rinse out with cool water. If your hair is extremely dry, you might want to consider a leave-in conditioner as well. These are especially great for curly hair. Regular deep conditioning treatments can restore life to damaged hair. Use a store-bought deep conditioner or a household oil. To deep condition your hair, dampen your hair, apply 1 to 2 tablespoons of deep conditioner, and cover with a shower cap or plastic wrap. Let it sit for at least an hour or up to overnight. Make a homemade hair mask with honey, banana, yogurt, egg, and other ingredients to instantly brighten your hair and reduce frizz. Use a finishing oil to protect your hair from getting frizzy and throughout the day. Use a boar bristle brush to pull your hair's oils from the scalp all the way down to the tips, without causing any damage. Wait an hour or two before shampooing. Giving yourself scalp massages stimulates circulation near the roots of your hair, causing it to grow. The massages also help to reduce stress and ease headaches. Natural hair products are better for your hair than commercially available products that contain harmful ingredients. Switch to all natural products and avoid products that have sulfates. Nourish your hair from the inside out by eating plenty of nutritious foods and staying hydrated. This prevents your hair from drying out. Protect your hair from sun and other elements by covering it up when you'll be in the sun for hours at a time, wearing a sun hat, and wearing a swim cap in the pool. Following all these steps will cause new, healthy hair to grow in. Get regular trims to get rid of damaged ends. Sun exposure can cause hair to become dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. It can also fade dyed hair and make it more difficult to style. A sun hat and swim cap can help protect hair from the sun, chlorine, and salt water. Regular trims will also help to keep hair healthy by removing any split ends that may have formed.